Hello friends, how are you? Today I will be teach you how to change recovery Gmail ID. If you have to one Gmail ID, then how to change recovery email. I will show in a step by step how to changing recovery email ID in a Gmail account, any type of Gmail account. Okay, then let's will be started. First of all, you will have to go my Google account. If you have to go to my Google account, then you have to many types of options in be open. First home, then payments and subscription, then profile info, then security and sign in, then Google password, linked app, data and privacy, people and sharing, family, account storage. Here 7 to 8 options will be showing, but you have to go security and sign in options in these options. Okay, security and sign in options, here too many type of options will have to open. Scroll down and you will be go to this option, recovery email options. You have to simply click recovery options. Then sometimes may be asking OTP, sometimes may be asking verification code, sometimes may be asking your password. Then simply enter your password and then you have to open recovery email. Okay, then add recovery email, click here. Then you have to enter old any personal Gmail account who have to added in a recovery email address. Okay, then you will be click on recovery email address. Suppose you have two Mohan names and Mohan 1234 at the rate gmail.com, Rani Aryan Rani 4567 at the rate gmail.com. You have to any type of Gmail account, then simply place all carefully. After that you have to carefully then click on save buttons, and you have to go one Gmail account, one OTP, and 6 digit OTP again here to place, then successful, then save, then successfully change, and here to showing which email ID added in these options. Okay, simply again refresh your all page, then you have to change the recovery email address. Very easy to use, and you can change no any type of problems. I hope you have to learn something in this video. Okay friends, meet to next video, and thanks for watching.